Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the top 5 super useful Telegram bots. Telegram is a messaging app that is widely used around the world, and the bots that we are going to discuss today will make your Telegram experience even more exciting and productive. So let's begin. Bot number 1. All Savers Bot. Search All Savers Bot. This bot can provide you downloadable links of any social media videos. By using this bot you can download from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and any other social media. For example, let's copy this Facebook video link and all you have to do is to paste it here, and this bot will provide you downloadable link. Bot number 2. PopcornBot Alpha. The second bot on our list is PopcornBot Alpha. This bot will provide you downloadable links of your favorite movies in different quality. If we search Avatar 2, this will give us source links for downloading this movie in different quality. Now just tap any of these links and download. Bot number 3 is File Converter. The third bot on our list is File Converter, which is a bot for converting files from one format to another. If you have a file that you need to convert, such as a PDF to a Word document, then this bot can do it for you quickly and easily. If we paste a file link here, you can see many options to choose from. If we choose doc, this bot will convert this file into a doc file. Bot number 4. Improve Photo Bot. The fourth bot on our list is Improve Photo Bot, which is a bot for improving the quality of your photos. If you have a photo that is blurry or dark, then this bot can enhance the image to make it look clearer and brighter. You may need to wait for a while as it has very good traffic, but this bot works really well. Bot number 5. AI Background Remover Bot. The fifth and final bot on our list is AI Background Remover Bot, which is a bot for removing the background from your photos. If you want to use a photo for a project, but the background is distracting, then this bot can remove it for you in just a few clicks. That's all for today. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.